How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a coin which I really do believe is an undiscovered gem. Before we do get started with the video though, of course, if you are new around here, make sure you do hit the subscribe button. And also, like I said in every single one of my videos, guys, of course, this is not financial advice, so make sure you go out and do your own research and come to your own conclusion before investing. Also, make sure you guys check out the links in the description as they have exclusive bonuses as well as discounts for you guys as well. With that out of the way, let's get straight into today's video. So today's video, what we're going to be talking about is a coin called Gamercoin, or GHX for short. You can see the current price of Gamercoin is currently sitting at just over 12 cents per coin, and we'll first check out a few different statistics, then we'll jump into a little bit more about what actually is Gamercoin, and then I also want to compare it to another big coin on the market currently, which I believe Gamercoin is sort of this very similar to this coin, but it's in the very early stages, so you know this could be a lot better suited for people who want to get into a coin with a lot lower market cap, but we'll get into more about that later on in the video. So you can see, if we look at the yearly chart, you can see Gamercoin over the last year is up an incredible amount, over 2,100%. If we switch it to the 7 days or monthly chart, however, you can see that Gamercoin has taken a little bit of a plunge, but like I said, if we do look at the bigger picture, you see the last 7 days or over the last month, it isn't really that big of a correction at all if you're looking at the bigger picture over the last year. You can see in sort of early 2024, I believe Gamercoin actually hit, oh no, it didn't hit an all-time high, it hit an all-time high back in 2021 bull run. You can see in 2021 bull run, it hit almost 80 cents per Gamercoin, and all-time high. Ever since then, it has been very, very stagnant. You can see it's been all very, very low, under a penny at some points, and you can see very recently it has hit, has slightly increased back into the sort of around the 30 cents per coin, but ever since then has had a little bit of a correction. But I am still very hopeful about this coin. I really do believe that it is a gem, and I hope after this video you also believe that. Like I said at the start of the video, this coin is still a very low market cap coin. You can see under $80 million currently on the market cap. You see the 24-hour volume is sitting at just over $1 million, with the volume to market cap ratio sitting at 1.5%. I would like to see this volume to market cap ratio up a little bit. Like I say in all of my videos, I like to see a sort of healthy range between 5 to 7%. I believe is sort of a good range. Another good point about Gamercoin is that they already have a high circulating supply compared to the total supply. So you aren't gonna, if you want to invest into Gamercoin now, you aren't gonna experience much dilution at all, which basically means that your coins are gonna hold their value. Another big thing about Gamercoin, some big news which has happened about, I guess, well, not too big news, but fairly good news which has happened about them recently, and that is that Gamercoin has recently been listed on BitGet. You can see all the markets down here. It's on quite a few markets already, on quite a few big exchanges as well. MEXC, which is, like I said at the start of the video, the exchange that I recommend. You can check out the link in the description. You've also got KuCoin, which is also another big exchange, and then recently you can see they've got onto BitGet as well, which means they are still actively updating and improving, and the team is actually still here. They have stuck around all throughout these years, even when the coin was at very, very low points, which is a very, very good thing to see, because a lot of times when coins do plummet, the team often leaves, but you can see the team is still here, which is gives the investors as well as me a lot of hope for Gamercoin, and is also another big reason why I'm actually making a video about Gamercoin today. I don't believe that Gamercoin is dead whatsoever. So now let's actually jump into what actually is Gamercoin. So you can see Gamercoin, 780,000 plus gamers share their GPU power for AI and mining, and this does sum up Gamercoin very, very nicely. You can see in-gamer hash platform that creates a decentralized computing network. DeepIn, powered by Gamercoin, or GHX, supports generative AI and 3D rendering. And so why I wanted to make a video about Gamercoin, like I've said, is because I do believe that they probably will do well in the future. But also one of the main reasons why I made a video about Gamercoin is because it's very, very similar to a coin which I've been featuring on my channel recently, that has a much, much higher market cap, and this could be a good alternative for people who want to invest into a coin such as the one which I've already put on the channel before, but want to invest in at a lower entry point, at a lower market cap. And that coin, the bigger coin which I'm comparing Gamercoin to, is of course going to be Render. You guys know, like I said, this has been featured on my channel many times within the last few months, and recently Render has had a quite a big influx in price, or maybe not recently, over the last few months, over the last year, Render has had quite a big spike up in price and in market cap, and you can see it's currently sitting at over $3.5 billion in the market cap. And so what does Render actually do? It does a very, very similar thing to Gamercoin. It basically has distributed, decentralized computing power, which is spreads across the network, and people can actually use this for 3D rendering. I believe on Render it's exclusively just for rendering. Of course, the name, as the name suggests, the Render network is exclusively just render. Whereas on Gamercoin, you can use it for for mining. You can use it for AI and 3D rendering. So it's very, very similar, slightly different. Different goals, very, very, very slightly, but the sort of main premise is very, very similar to Render. And so this is why I wanted to make the video today, is because like I've just said, the market cap for Render is currently sitting at over $3.5 billion. And of course, I believe that this is still, fairly early into Render. There is still money to be made if you want to invest into Render. Of course, I'm not saying that Render is going to be doing badly in the future, especially with the recent news that came out about Render with, they actually have partnered with an application which is going to be on the next Apple product. I don't know if it's the phone or the MacBook or maybe all of them. So I do believe in the next couple of months Render will do very, very well. But yeah, so this can be a very good alternative to people who want to invest into a coin like Render but don't necessarily like the huge market cap, because you can see if you compare the market cap of Gamercoin compared to Render, we've got $80 million market cap compared to a $3.5 billion market cap, which is roughly around 40x the size of Gamercoin. So of course there's a lot more, well, maybe not a lot more potential, but there's a lot more potential compared to the amount of money which needs to be put into Gamercoin compared to Render. I mean, if you see $1 billion put into Gamercoin, you're going to be seeing 10, 11, 12 X's, compared to if you put $1 billion into Render, you're only going to see around a 20 to 25% increase. So there's a huge difference in terms of how much money gets into the market cap, and then of course that also determines how much gains you are going to get as well. But of course, like I said, this is catered towards two different types of people. Render might be a much safer option for a lot of people, whereas Gamercoin a little bit more risky, but like I said, maybe a little bit more higher potential for people who like to do a little bit more risky investment. And like I said, I do believe that Gamercoin, in my personal opinion, probably is a fairly decent investment, just from the fact that the team is still here. They're still getting listed on new exchanges. Of course, if you look at the graph right here, it does look very bleak. You can see, like I said, all-time high in 2021, and then for the last 2-3 years it's been very, very bleak. But recently Gamercoin has been making a little bit of comeback. Another good thing which I haven't mentioned yet about Gamercoin is I like the fact that, of course, as the name suggests, Gamercoin, that this coin is catered towards gamers. And oftentimes where I've seen in the past coins catered towards gamers, they often do very well, because of course there are hundreds of thousands, millions of gamers worldwide, and this is very easy for people who have never even heard about crypto or gotten into crypto or invested into crypto. Very easy for them to say, oh, Gamercoin, why don't I go ahead and get started with this coin? Because it's very, very easy. You can see they've got their own application here, which you can have on Windows, Linux, Mac, or you can even have their application on your mobile device as well. So oftentimes these coins, which are very user friendly, are very good. And they do often get a lot of investment from not just people who have been in crypto space, a veteran in the crypto space, but also for people who've never even seen or heard about crypto or invested into crypto as well, which is often coins like this do very, very well, because they're not catered towards they're not catered only towards, like I said, towards the people who have been in crypto for a long time, but they're also catering towards people who've never even heard about crypto as well, and getting all these new people into crypto as well, which is again, not only good for Gamercoin but also good for the whole cryptocurrency market. So yeah, Apart from that, guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. Let me know what you think about Gamercoin. Would you prefer to invest into a coin like Render with a much higher market cap, but maybe, you know, a little bit lower gains? Or would you take a little bit of a more risky approach and invest into a coin like Gamercoin with only, you know, $80 million compared to $3.5 billion market cap, which is a lot more risky, but, you know, a lot more potential, I believe, for a lot higher gains? Let me know in the comments section down below. Apart from that, you know, if you are new around here, make sure you do hit the subscribe button and like if you did enjoy the video as well. Apart from that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.